Here with Owen, he's going to do a bike check.
Alright, let's start up front. Got a G-Sport roll cage, 2 profile minis, with Primo spokes, nice and tight. And got some S&M Pitchfork XLTTs. We the People headset, Madura mask stem, Fit Max signature bars, King Samurai grips. Got a Take IV5 frame. Got some demolition pedals. Sabrosa bitchin' cranks. Got a Colt Member V2 sprocket. KMC chain. I believe it's a cool chain. And profile bottom bracket. Sabrosa Forever seat. Pretty cushy. Got a Fiend seat post. Got for the back, got a mini, profile mini to a roll cage. And my tires are Demolition machetes. And do sound check.
Intoxicated from the night before. Got so fucking faded, I slept on the floor. Don't know whose house this is or where I'm at. Don't know how I made it, gotta find a door. I'm making bad decisions frequently. Tuesdays I'm exactly the same person as the weekend me. And recently my girl's friends had told her who they see me with. But it's no secret, baby, cause we both know I'm a piece of shit. You see the FOMO is forever real. Try to take it easy, truth be told, but I can never chill. I be out with party girls who want me off a hella pills. And after shows, they all just wanna come to my hotel and chill. I walk to the bathroom and she follow. We do it all tonight and then regret it all tomorrow. Yeah, see, it's the lifestyles of the young and dumb. Get fucked up too often, I think I might be becoming numb. That's how it goes in the city where the bars don't ever close. Yeah, everything is justified inside when you're still out drunk at 5 and on a ride. Yeah, I'm waving at the morning joggers. I'm just leaving the bar, stumbling off a dozen loggers. Too much whiskey, too much white. Think I might call it a night. The sun is up, I'll take her home. Tomorrow's not gonna feel alright. Nope. When you realize what you did and the guilt makes your stomach turn out, you just feel so stupid. So you have a beer for breakfast, then a blunt gets included. Try forget that you slept with your ex, you can't dispute it. Nope, nothing like coming down while waking up. Drinking beers while cooking, baking up. That first half hour on your feet will have you shaking